Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project Food Court Management System, and I have developed this project in Node.js, Angular, and MySQL. Node version I am using the Node version 14, and Angular version is 1.11, and MySQL version is 5.6. For Node.js, we have used for developing the APIs, and which is performing CRUD application create date and delete operations in database, right? So we have developed different types of API in Node.js. MySQL we have used for saving the data coming from the Node.js and the Angular. Angular we have used for the front-end development. Means all of the UI we have developed using the Angular. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project, food court management system, right? So this is the headless based architecture, means each and everything is separate. UI is separate, API is separate, and database is separate, right? We have not merged business logic with the front-end logic. That's why it's a headless based architecture. So let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have developed inside this project. For running this project, you need to open the two CMDs, on which on first one you need to run the Angular application using ngserve, and on the second window you need to run the Node application using Node.js, Node space server.js. Before running these two commands, you need to install the all of the npm packages using the npm install. Once you run the both of the things, then after that you can access the front end panel using the localhost colon 4200, right? So this project is running on the port 4200, which is the default port of the Angular, right? So this is the login page. You can see this is the login page. For logging inside the system, you need to enter the user ID and password. The user ID is admin and the password is test1234. Without, if you don't have the user ID and password, then you will not be able to log in. So I have entered the correct details. Once I log inside the system, you will get this dashboard, right? This is admin panel. Here you will get these menu options. This is the bootstrap theme. Means if you open this project on mobile app as well as tab, then UI will not be distorted. It will be fit according to the screen size, right? Means this is a responsive theme, right? This is the layout. You can see you can hide the menu option, and after that your main layout will be bigger as comparison to earlier, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is a food item report. You can see these all are the food items what I have added, right? So if you want to edit food item, just click on the edit button, and after that you can edit the food items from here, right? This is the edit food item. This is a delete. If you want to delete any food item, just click on the delete button, and that will be deleted from the database permanently. You can see there are 10 items, and if I click on the delete, then you can see that items, the 10 id has been deleted, right? This is add food item. From here you can add any number of food items, right? Suppose if you are launching new food items, or there is a new food item in your restaurant, then you can add new food items from here, right? So you can see there is a product type means you can choose the product type, means it's a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, Italian, or what. After that and this is a dynamic drop down and coming from the database. This is a product code, means the code of the food items, product title, total stock, cost per item, and once you enter all of the details, just click on the save details, and that item will be saved into the database, and you will be able to see the food items reports here, right? This is add sales. From here you can start sales to the customer, right? This is the sales portal, right? Here you need to enter the customer name first, right? Suppose I am entering customer name one, and then customer mobile. You need to enter the mobile number. Once you click on the start sale, then you will get this dashboard. Here your order ID has been created. This is the order date, this is the customer mobile number, and the customer name, right? This is saying that add items into the cart. This drop down will contain all of the items which is available into the database, or what you have added into the database. Currently it has 8 items, right? You can select the items and enter the quantity. Once you enter the quantity, then you can see this item has been added into the cart, right? So this is the bread omelette again, boiled egg, and suppose three, right? Add items, then you can see the items are getting added into the cart, right? So this one, right? So you can see there are three items I have added. If you want to delete any item, just hit the delete button and that item will be removed from your cart. And after that, if you want to add new item, just add, select the new items and the number of quantities. Then you can see the total cost is getting calculated automatically. You don't need to put the calculations, it's automatically, right? Once you complete the cells, just click on the save sales details. Once you click on the save sales details, then whole page information will be saved into the database, right? And you can access it later also. So this is the, you can see this is the non-editable form, and this is showing the all of the cells information, right? And these all details are coming from the database. This is a sales report. Once you click on the sales report, you will be able to see all of the sales details what you have made earlier, right? And once you click on the this arrow icon, you will be able to see the details of the cells, right? If you want to delete the cells, just hit the delete button. That cells will be removed from the database. This is a logout. Once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to access the internal pages. You can log out from here or either from here, right? Just click on the logout. You can see your session has been destroyed and you has been redirected to the login page. Once you click on the login, then you can see the admin panel, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project. As I told you earlier, this is a Node.js, Angular, and MySQL project, and this is a mini project, right? If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.